Hey everyone, Arash Farahani here, back with another episode. What's really trending in real estate? And the tactical tools to win in 2025. Off market inventory is growing. Wellness is driving value. Generation Z has entered the chat. So, how do you stay ahead? The answer is tools and tactics. Leveraging the tools you have, whether it be CRM, AI, or marketing strategies, can keep you ahead of the competition. Let's take a deeper dive to explore the trends and tactical tools that set you apart from the rest. Real estate is shifting fast. Inventory is getting locked behind closed doors. Gen Z is buying, not renting, and outdated tools like Remine gone. If you're buying, selling, or investing in 2025, this isn't the market you want to sleep on. You might think everything for sale shows up on Zillow or realtor.ca, but that's not the case anymore. A growing number of homes are being sold off the market, never hitting the MLS. These off market properties are being shared privately to agents who share them directly with their database first. So, if you're only relying on public listings, you could be missing out on the best deals before they even go live. Today's buyers aren't just asking about square footage or kitchen upgrades anymore. They're asking, where would I set up my cold plunge? Can I add a meditation space? How's the air quality? Wellness has become a top priority, and homes that support it are commanding premium prices. From biophilic design to backyard sanctuaries, health is now a real estate value driver. Gen Z is skipping the starter apartment. They're buying homes. You'd think Gen Z would be renting forever, right? Think again. Not anymore. They're buying younger than ever, using TikTok to research the market and finding creative ways to afford their first place. They're not wanting to wait for marriage or six-figure salaries. Instead, they're moving to smaller towns, co-buying with friends, or house hacking to build wealth early. Tactical tools that set you apart from the competition. SkySlope, digital transactions, compliance, secure backups. Client experience platforms, CRMs that text back. Pricing strategy and CMA software. Stay accurate, competitive, and be fast. I'll link my favorite tools below, and I've got a full walkthrough of SkySlope and how to migrate from Remine coming next. If you're serious about winning in today's market, whether you're a buyer, seller, investor, or agent, subscribe, hit the bell, and drop a comment. Let's outsmart the market together.